Legends of Learning presents the Mathy's Chocolate Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about comparing decimals to the hundredths fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, the world's renowned chocolate factory needs you. They may be the best, but lately their production has decreased. They need someone with a great math knowledge to lead the chocolate delivery process, so that the chocolate factory can once again be the best factory.
Great job.
This math game will test your knowledge on reading and interpreting decimals to a specific placeholder value. Use the mouse to click on different numbers to select the right amount of chocolate pieces to make up the total fraction, and check that you are correct to move to the next question. Compare fractions and see if you can choose the correct inequality sign to show which fraction is greater than, less than, or equal to. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.